Aesthetica Cosmetics Cream Contour and Highlighting Makeup Kit. Contouring Foundation. The Aesthetica Cream Contour Kit includes step-by-step instructions so that you can now become your own professional makeup artist, even if you have never tried contouring. Within this easy-to-follow guide, you will find many helpful tips, tricks and diagrams that will show you how to properly apply contour and highlight based on your facial shape. Achieve a flawless finish every time with the Aesthetica Cream Contour Kit. The Aesthetica Cosmetics Cream Contour Kit contains 6 blendable, silky creams that are designed to sculpt, define and highlight your face. Aesthetica puts everything you need to achieve the coveted contour look in one palette. Each kit includes easy-to-follow, step-by-step instructions, face shape diagrams and contour mapping guide so you can contour like a pro every time. Create the illusion of higher cheekbones, a smaller forehead, a softer jawline or a slimmer nose while drawing light to the areas you want to highlight. All 6 contour and highlight shades can be mixed and matched. You can create a perfect blend that will work for your skin tone, whether it be fair to light, medium or dark. The Aesthetica Cream Contour Kit is dermatologist tested, hypoallergenic and is specially formulated using the highest quality, non-irritating ingredients. Our formula does not contain talc or parabens and is suitable for all ages and all skin types, including dry, oily or combination skin. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.